Hello, and today we're talking about asparagus, the veggie that looks like tiny green spears, smells weird in your pee, and is somehow still considered classy. What is asparagus? Asparagus is a spring vegetable that grows as long, skinny stalks that look like they're trying to reach Wi-Fi in the sky. The most common kind is green, but it also comes in white, grown without sunlight like a basement gamer, and sometimes purple. People grill it, steam it, roast it, throw it on pizza, pasta, or just eat it to look healthy in front of their friends. Health superpowers packed with vitamins A, C, E, and K, plus folate. Basically a tiny multivitamin wearing a green cape. High in fiber, which helps digestion and keeps things moving along. Your future self will thank you. Loaded with antioxidants that help protect your cells from damage, like tiny bouncers for your body. It's a natural diuretic, so it makes you pee more and can help reduce water retention. Yes, asparagus literally encourages bathroom breaks. Everyday advantages. Cooks in just a few minutes. Perfect if you're hungry, lazy, or both. Super versatile. Goes well with garlic, lemon, cheese, butter, olive oil. Basically all the tasty stuff we pretend not to love. Disadvantages of asparagus. The pee smell mystery. For many people, asparagus makes urine smell intense. Not dangerous, just, why does my bathroom smell like a science experiment? Digestive drama. Some people get gas, bloating, or stomach discomfort. Asparagus is high fiber, not always high subtlety. Allergies, rare, but real. Some people can have allergic reactions and should avoid it. Price and season. Fresh asparagus is usually best in spring and can be pricey the rest of the year, like that friend who's only affordable during happy hour. So, asparagus is a funny-looking, fancy-tasting vegetable that's packed with nutrients, helps your digestion, and might give your pee a bit of an attitude. If you can handle the smell and the occasional gas, it's a smart, healthy addition to your plate. Thanks for watching, and next time you smell something weird after dinner, don't panic. It might just be asparagus doing its job.
Don't forget to click like and subscribe. Thank you for visiting our channel. Don't forget to visit our online merchandise shops. The link is in the channel description. Remember, learn something every day. Please check out our other videos. We will see you in the next one.